Rollo was no ordinary cat. Instead of walking or running, Rollo would tuck in his fluffy legs and roll across the floor like a furry bowling ball. It all started one lazy afternoon when Rollo was chasing a stray thread. He pounced too hard, lost his balance, and tumbled head over paws. To his surprise, rolling felt amazing. He could feel the breeze in his whiskers, and the world looked like a fast-moving blur of colors. He decided, why walk when you can roll? Feeling adventurous, Rollo decided to conquer new territory, the stairs. Other cats could climb up with ease, but Rollo wanted to roll his way to the top. He positioned himself carefully at the bottom of the staircase, gave a little wiggle, and pushed off. Whee! Rollo rolled up 3 steps, but then gravity caught up with him. With a yelp, he tumbled backward, head over tail, bump, 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 and landed with a plop at the bottom. Rollo sat up, dazed but determined. Okay, maybe stairs aren't for rolling, he thought with a twitch of his tail. Yet, one day Rollo met his ultimate enemy, the Roomba. It was the only other thing in the house that rolled as much as he did. The little robot vacuum zipped around the living room, bumping into furniture and humming a low, mechanical tune. Rollo narrowed his eyes. This wasn't just a vacuum. It was competition. He launched himself into a roll, zipping after the Roomba in hot pursuit. The Roomba dodged left. Rollo swerved right. The chase was on. Around the couch, under the coffee table, and through the hallway they went, 2 rolling adversaries locked in a ridiculous battle. Rollo was determined to win. With a burst of speed, he rolled directly at the Roomba, colliding with it in a clumsy, fluffy attack. The Roomba, stunned, made a confused beeping noise and retreated back to its charging dock. Rollo stood triumphantly on wobbly paws. He had won the great rolling duel. Rollo's human soon realized that his rolling antics were too funny to keep to herself. She started filming his daily adventures. Rollo rolling down hallways, chasing his tail, and sneaking up on the dog, who never saw the fluffy cannonball coming. Before long, Rollo became an internet sensation. His videos went viral with captions like, "Rolling into the weekend like," and "When you just can't walk anymore." Fans from around the world adored him, calling him the Rolling King and demanding more videos. Rollo basked in the attention, rolling happily from one room to the next. He even started learning new tricks, like rolling in circles or spinning in place. Life was good for a kitty on a roll. Rollo's human set up a special plush ramp for him so he could roll safely down the stairs. She also designed an obstacle course of pillows and blankets, making it the ultimate rolling playground. Every day was an adventure for Rollo. But the best part? Rolling had brought him closer to everyone. His human loved his goofy antics. The dog had learned to tolerate his rolling sneak attacks, and even the Roomba seemed to have accepted its new place as a sidekick. Rollo purred contentedly, tucking his legs in for one more spin around the living room. He wasn't just a cat anymore. He was a legend. And as long as there was a floor to roll on, Rollo would keep rolling his way into everyone's hearts. The end.